Welcome to the class, students of class 10 chapter 2. Today we will discuss about olfactory indicators. Now what is the meaning of olfactory? Students, when the meanings are clear of each and every word, then understanding become itself easy. So let's see what is the meaning of olfactory. See students, I have one example of olfactory that is pertaining to the smell sense. That means olfactory depends like what is your smell, like how you smell. If you like, say for example, my cold is interfering with my main olfactory nerve, so I cannot smell anything. That means because of the cold, that particular person is not able to smell something. That means olfactory is related to smell sense, right? So here acid bases we will identify through their changing in smell, not in changing through color, which we were studied with synthetic indicators. See students, these are olfactory indicators like vanilla essence, onions, garlic, cloves. They change their specific smell. We all are aware about that they have some specific smell. So they will change that smell and they will tell you whether a particular substance, acid or base. If you pour a drop of acid, if you pour a drop of base, they will change their specific color and they will tell you. So we will just get to know it and we will try to do it with the help of an activity. Students, what we will do, like these 3 strips of cloth, what we will do, we will put them inside the chopped onions so that they will truly blend with the onion juice, and we will store it overnight. And then we'll take them out one by one. One will be telling us the reference strip, which will tell us the characteristics of onion smell. The particular smell of onion will tell us, and the strip A we will put a little bit, few drops of acid, and in the strip B we will put few drops of base. Then what we will see, that strip with few drops of acid will not change the characteristic smell of onion. It will remain same as it is, but few drops of base where we have put with the strip, the smell will change. So here we'll get to know that if the changing smell taking place, that means it's a base, and if it's not, that means it's an acid. Students, here it is clove oil. So clove oil is just like a plant buds, we collect them, and then what they do, they also act as an olfactory indicators. In acidic medium, smell is retained, and this is vanilla essence. So vanilla essence also plays the same way, like in acidic medium, smell is retained, and in basic medium, smell disappears, lost, can't be detected. Here you see, you know that vanilla essence are strong flavoring agent and they're useful in foods, and so they act as an olfactory agent. So, and I've already told you about it, that how they behave in acidic medium and how they behave in basic medium. So you go through, I hope it helped you. I have just tried to show you what were olfactory indicators, because all these 3 indicators are given in your book. Go through them, study properly, and make the notes accordingly. As I have told you, you can write about these 3 activities, like what we have done, like about onion,